Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to fix iPhone stuck on lock screen. For example, if your iPhone is stuck on the lock screen as you can see right here, what I would recommend you do, the first option is to ring the phone. So for example, you would get a call from someone else's device and you will simply ring your phone number. Most of the time this tends to work and your phone will start back to work. You'll simply swipe to answer the call and it will start working. If that doesn't work, the other option that I would recommend you do is by simply tapping on the power button and the volume button at the same time, depending on the model iPhone you have. But if the iPhone you have is an older model, what you're going to do is simply press down on the home button and the power button at the same time, as this is going to give it a hard reset. So all you need to do is simply tap down on the volume button and the power button at the same time. And once you have done that, as you can see right here, it will ask you to slide to power off and you will simply tap on, pull it across better yet, and then once you have turned back on your iPhone, you'll realize that the problem has been solved. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.